Welcome back to the 10K SOXL Trader Challenge Day 55. This episode is the recap for the October 31st, 2025, Friday, trading day. No trades today, primarily focused on observation and monitoring. Market overview. Friday market closed higher with three major indices up. Amazon earnings and AI expectations boosted big tech, driving risk appetite. However, small caps weakened with market structure continuing to show heavyweight dominance, weak breadth characteristics. October achieved weekly and monthly gains simultaneously, with signal quality below standard, chose to stay in cash and observe. Daily operations and execution. Capital-based. Available capital per trade is $10,708.53. Day 54 ending balance. Orders placed in whole shares, without leverage or margin, ignoring commissions and slippage to maintain statistical consistency. Execution rules. Execute after signal confirmation. No structure or volume meeting entry conditions appeared today, chose to stay in cash and observe. Trade details, SOXL. No trades today. Daily P&L and net asset value. Daily gross P&L. $0. Daily account return. 0.00%. Latest account balance. NAV. $10,708.53. Index and market recap. U.S. Equities overall. Three major indices closed higher. Based on market observation, S&P 500 plus 0.3%, NASDAQ plus 0.6%, Dow plus 0.1%. However, small caps weakened with Russell 2000 minus 0.6%. October achieved weekly and monthly gains simultaneously, but market structure continues showing heavyweight dominance, weak breadth characteristics. Semiconductors and high beta. Amazon earnings and AI expectations boosted big tech, driving risk appetite based on market observation. Semiconductors followed with relative strength, but style dominated by heavyweights with average breadth. For SOXL, in heavyweight driven but insufficient breadth environment, more appropriate to wait for structure improvement. Interest rates and dollar. 10-year Treasury yield closed around 4.11%, based on market observation, dollar index hovering near 3-month highs with overall bias strong on FX side. Both jointly forming sustained suppression on high valuation growth assets. Futures and volume. Heavyweights lifting indices, small caps under pressure structure continues based on market observation. Indices up but internal breadth weak, waiting for basis plus volume resonance more prudent strategy note. Today's news, macro and policy. After October 29th rate cut of 25 BP, Fed communication emphasized December rate cut not a done deal, based on market observation, cooling market easing expectations. Month-end effects and quarter-end rebalancing demand intertwined. Industry and corporate. Amazon's performance and cloud business acceleration became day's main catalyst, based on market observation, with tech heavyweights leading gains. However, individual stock divergence remained obvious, reflecting market's selective recognition of AI investment returns. Market structure. Heavyweights lifting indices, small caps under pressure structure continues. Indices up but internal breadth weak with capital more concentrated in few leaders. October closing entering monthly quarterly transition period. Quantitative summary. Number of trades. 0. Daily gross P&L. $0. Daily account return. 0.00%. Latest account balance. $10,708.53. Consecutive cash days. 4. Day 52 to 55. Execution and review highlights. Discipline. Adhered to. Signals before positions. Positions subject to risk control. Principle. Did not meet entry structure and volume conditions today, chose to stay in cash. Strategy. In Heavyweight dominance, average breadth, dollar and rates bias strong, environment, SOXL more suitable to wait for volume and structure resonance entry point. Current market driven by few heavyweights with small caps under pressure, chasing prices low win rate. Observation focus, 4 consecutive trading days, day 52 to 55, in cash observation, spanning complete FOMC decision cycle and month end. This reflects disciplined execution when signal quality below standard and market structure unclear. October closing entering monthly quarterly transition period waiting for new market rhythm. Closing thoughts, day 55 in heavyweight dominance, average breadth, dollar and rates bias strong, environment chose to hold fire, saving bullets for clearer volume and structure resonance windows. NAV maintained at $10,708.53. This marks 4 consecutive trading days in cash observation, day 52 to 55, spanning complete FOMC decision cycle and month end. From October 28 FOMC eve, to 29 decision day, to 30 high-level pullback, finally to 31 month-end closing, market consistently failed to provide entry signals meeting system standards. This raises a question worth considering. For systematic trading, when consecutive cash observation days span major events, FOMC decision, and time nodes, month end, how does your system handle psychological tension between patiently waiting versus fearing missing entire stage opportunities? When new monthly quarterly periods begin, do you adjust strategy to adapt to potential new rhythms or continue strictly adhering to original standards? Moving forward, continue waiting for 2 types of opportunities before executing: volume breakout, price volume resonance with improved continuation, confirmed stabilization after pullback to key moving averages, range lower bound, core remains, risk priority, confirmation priority, quick in and out, execution framework. If this recap is helpful, please like, save, and share for support. Also welcome to share your trading strategies during monthly quarterly transition periods in comments. Follow the account to not miss daily live trading recap updates. See you in the next video.